Welcome to Priya Define and Sculpt. I'm Priya, qualified beauty therapist, makeup artist and a hairdresser. Smoky eye are mainly used as evening makeup for parties or wedding guest makeup or any similar occasions. With a little practice, anyone can pull off this versatile look. Any color can be used to create smoky eye. Commonly used is black and grey and brown tones, but you can be creative with purples, green, blue and any other color you like. Special about smoky eye, it can go with any outfit, and in this video I'm going to share the tips and tricks about black smoky eye which can be recreated in 5 minutes. So subscribe to Priya Define and Sculpt if you haven't subscribed, and click bell icon to get notified of my upcoming videos. I'm already done with my base makeup. Let's start the smoky eye. I'm using Primark black lipstick. Apply this black lipstick on the center of the eyelid. It may look messy, but don't worry, I'm going to blend this anyway. I'm using fluffy pencil brush from Bobbi Brown to blend and extend the lipstick to the both corners of the eyelids. I'm using the same technique on the other eye as well. Now bringing the leftover product to smoke and smudge the lower lash line. I'm going to use brown and peach eyeshadows from MUA palette with fluffy blending brush. I'm using this transition color on the crease which will blend nicely naturally with black lipstick. Blending harsh lines is must. I know it is difficult for beginners to understand, but only key to get a perfect smoky eye is to blend the harsh lines. So do not rush, take your time, just practice and you will get the perfect smoky eye sooner. All product details are listed down below in the description, so please do check that. I'm going to use small pencil brush to do the same in my lower lash line to soften it up. I'm going to use these browns to deepen the outer part of the eyelids. Blend the harsh lines if any. Using this kohl pencil on the waterline of my eyes. I prefer applying on both upper and lower waterlines. Now I'm using the same palette to set the lipstick with black eyeshadow to get intense result on both eyelids as well as on lower lash line. I'm using this fluffy blending brush for smoking and smudging out the harsh lines. I'm going to do the same technique on the lower lash line by using flat brush. I'm going to finish my black smoky eye by lifting my lashes with lash curler followed by mascara. I'm using Lash Hero Fiber Extension Mascara from Body Shop. You have to be very careful when applying mascara on your lower lash line because sometimes there are chances where you may poke your mascara wand inside your eyes. I'm using Bobbi Brown foundation stick to contour my face. If you want to know the details of contouring, you can watch the first tutorial which I have done on no makeup look. You can click the I button on top right corner so that you can see the video which I have done it before. I'm using L'Oreal concealer to highlight the bridge of my nose and under eye area. I love using NYX pink blush on my cheeks followed by MAC bronzer. I'm using brown lip pencil from L'Oreal to outline my lips. I'm using this beautiful matte liquid lipstick from Body Shop, shade Windows Rose. And this is a nice shade which suits all type of skin tone, especially a dusky skin tone like me. To set this makeup for longer, I'm using Revolution Makeup Setting Spray. Always use makeup setting spray a few distance away from your face. Ta-da! This is how I create classic black smoky eye. Please do try and recreate black smoky eye and comment below how it worked for you. Hope this video is informative. If so, please like and share. And do not forget to subscribe Priya Define and Sculpt and click the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming videos. See you all soon. Bye bye.